Camping is about freedom, but getting ready can be overwhelming. Heavy gear, scattered supplies, and too many things to carry. That's why we built FollowFit, to simplify the way you move outdoors. When you're done, it folds down with a single touch, compact enough to fit in your trunk. And yes, it's made from sustainable, recyclable materials. FollowFit features an advanced AI vision system with facial and body recognition. It automatically detects and follows your movement, keeping your gear stable and secure so you can focus on the journey, not the load. FollowFit uses intelligent obstacle detection to navigate around rocks, roots, and uneven paths, keeping pace with you wherever you go. Tackle hills with ease using power assist mode, and stay safe on descents with automatic braking. Its anti-slip, adaptive wheels handle rough terrain effortlessly, whether it's gravel, grass, or dirt. At camp, FollowFit powers your essentials with built-in USB ports and an integrated camping light, perfect for evening. The swappable battery supports up to 15 kilometers of movement. Engineered for the outdoors, FollowFit supports up to 100 kilograms. With remote control, FollowFit navigates smoothly across different surfaces. This is FollowFit. Innovation makes an easy life. Join us and redefine how you explore.